stop. If Delta Executor isn't working on your iPhone anymore, don't download anything yet because there's a brand new method that works right now. In this video, I'll show you how to install Delta Executor iOS v2.724 directly on your iPhone and iPad with no PC and no jailbreak required. As you can see on the screen, Delta is already running on the latest Roblox version, and I'll show you exactly how to get this set up. Make sure you watch until the end, because skipping a single step can cause the installation to fail. First, let's confirm that Delta Executor is working properly. Here is the Executor interface running inside Roblox. You can see the Settings menu and Key System page. Everything is functioning correctly on the latest version. Now let's move on to the installation process so you can get the same result on your device. Return to your iPhone home screen and prepare to open Safari. We're going to use the new direct install method that doesn't require a computer. Open Safari and go to the installation page shown in the video. Wait for the page to finish loading completely before continuing. Locate the Delta Executor installation option and tap it once. The installer will now begin preparing the required files automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. Do not close Safari while the installation is being prepared. Once the installation finishes, return to your home screen. You should now see the Delta application appear on your device. If the icon appears, that means the installation was successful. After the download is complete, Delta may not open immediately. This is normal because iOS requires you to trust the app first. Now go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and open General. Inside General, tap VPN and Device Management. On some iOS versions, it may appear as Profiles or Device Management. Here, find the profile connected to Delta Executor, then tap on it. Now tap Trust, then confirm it again when the pop-up appears. Once the profile is trusted, go back to your home screen and open Delta Executor again. Open the application and complete any remaining setup instructions shown on your screen. After the setup is completed, Delta Executor will be ready to use. You can now launch Roblox and access Delta Executor on the latest version. And that's it. Delta Executor iOS v2.724 is now installed on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.